Hey everybody, Gage here from Sharp. Excited to have you with me today to talk about petty knives. So in my mind, the petty knife is an essential for both the home cook and the professional. They are adept at many tasks, but are primarily used for smaller vegetable preparations, working off the board in your hand, and are commonly used as a butchery knife, great for breaking down chickens and pork shoulders. Through our experience working in professional kitchens, we found the petty knife to be the next most utilized knife after either your santoku, bunka, or gyuto, depending on which one you use as your primary go-to do-it-all knife. They typically range in size from 100 millimeters to 150 millimeters and feature a short but pointy blade, which is great for getting in between nooks and crannies. So typically they don't function super well as a rock chopping knife, but I have worked with a lot of cooks who have used them in this way. Typically what they'll do is they'll choke down on the handle a little bit and work closest to themselves on the board as possible to give themselves a little bit of extra knuckle clearance. So for home cooks, the petty knife is a great option to leave out on your countertop all day and use for smaller veg preparations for lunch and breakfast or small snacks that come up throughout the day and don't require the use of a larger knife. So tasks that I can think of are like slicing a tomato, cutting a sandwich in half for lunch, or maybe taking the tops off strawberries, cutting up fruit in the morning for breakfast. For the professional, they are perfect for life on the line. They fit really nicely between in that little space between your cutting board and the cold top, and they're great for slicing proteins, opening vac bags, or taking care of any other random tasks that you may have forgotten to get done before service started. They are also a great option for anyone, professional or home cook, that works in a smaller, tight, cramped for space kitchen and may have a smaller cutting board there that they're working with. Good, cool. So in summary, the petty knife is a must-have in our opinion for any professional or home cook just starting to build their kit. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions about things that we didn't touch on in the video, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more knife-related content. Until the next one, stay sharp!